Hey guys, I know we are in 2025 and I know we've already talked about the role of green bond in financing renewables. But I want to come back to that. I want to come back again into sustainable finance and investment because in 2025, there's a lot of questions I still receive regarding those topics. So we decided to go back to that. So what we're going to talk about today is green bonds, their role in financing renewables. So they have become a game changer in the sector in financing renewables energy projects. They provide the capital needed to scale clean energy while giving investors as well a way to support sustainability. I want to explore it, how they work, and also tell you why they matter. Are you up for it? I'm sure you are. Let's go for it. Hello everybody, how are you doing today? My name is Tony Chi. I'm the founder and CEO of Renewables in Africa. What we do is we raise awareness about renewables energy and sustainability. If you're interested to break into Africa and to expand into the continent, we are your eco-break to this market. And we can help you with visibility, with leads, but also deals. Or if you're looking to decarbonize, we again at your eco-bridge, to sustainable pathway. And what we can do, we can help you with carbon footprint assessment and carbon reduction strategy. That's what we can do. So reach out to us today and more than happy to talk to you. So what is green bonds? That's the question I want to respond first. The green bonds, they are bonds that are used specifically to fund climate-friendly projects like solar or wind farm. An investor, they will get the return while the money is directed towards sustainability. That's why they like it. So what are the trends they're looking at in the market? Why? In 2023, which is about 2 years ago, so the green bond market, the global issuance, they surpassed, 500 billion, which is $500 billion. That's impressive. And you have the EU and China, the leading in green bond market, and they have such a rapid growth in emerging economies. That's what we're saying, right? So what are some examples of successful green bond funded projects? Well, I can talk to you about the Masdar solar project in UAE, which was partly funded by green bonds. You also have the New York MTA issuing green bond to support energy efficient transport. That is actually what we see, and there's many other examples. And there's clearly some benefit that we see for investors, but also government. What are they? So diversification of investment portfolio, but also tax incentive in some region, for those green bond investors. But as I'm talking to you about that, I'm sure you will clearly understand that when we're talking about those green bonds as well, yes. Let me not, sort of forget it. There are challenges. There's a point to talk about. You have greenwashing concern. Some green bonds, they claim that they are green, but not at all. They lack true environmental impact. So that's a problem. You also have an issue with standardization because for different countries, you also have varying regulation. Is a problem. So green bond is not just about finance. That's what I want you to understand. Now, they, for me, driving the transition to low carbon economy. I know in the context we are these days, so it seems almost to be a bad word talking about sustainability because it looks like the oil and gas is making a big return, right? But guess what? That's just the trend that we see right now. Clearly, what we've started many years ago will continue. I'm convinced about that, right? They're always going to be ups and downs, but the trajectory is there, yeah? And as market grows, so does as well the impact of green bond on the future of energy. So clearly, guys, you want to buckle your seatbelt because I believe it may be bumpy, but obviously the direction of travel is there and it's going to keep on going forward. So you better actually join the train. So if you like this video, you want to like it, you want to comment on it, share with people that you know. And for me, I see you tomorrow so that we can continue having this fantastic conversation. So you have a great day. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.